SAP BusinessObjects Mobile allows you to access your favorite business intelligence documents directly on your iPad, enabling you to view and take action on them from anywhere at any time. This tutorial provides an overview of SAP BusinessObjects Mobile and walks you through the user interface. Note that this tutorial was recorded using SAP BusinessObjects Mobile version 4.0.3. When you launch the application, you begin from the My Reports screen. Here, any content already stored on your device appears in the Downloaded area at the top of the screen. We provided some sample content to get you started. Dots at the bottom of the screen indicate the number of pages in the report you're viewing. The white dot represents the current page. You can swipe to navigate the pages of the report. SAP BusinessObjects Mobile visualizes the most common charts as well as tables. All are fully interactive. For example, you can tap the data points in this line chart to see the data details. When several data points are close together or overlap, you can tap the Details box to see the values for other nearby data points. To take a closer look at the chart and to enable more interactions, double-tap the chart to see it in Detail View. The interactions available vary depending on the chart type. In line charts, you can move the left and right sliders to limit the range shown on the chart. You can also tap the elements in the legend to view different chart elements. Tapping the legend toggles between the selected element and the full chart. Tapping back returns you to the standard view of the report. Bar charts work similarly, with the ability to move the sliders to limit the range shown on the chart. Tap the bars to see the actual data values, and tap the elements in the legend to toggle between the selected element and the full chart. In pie charts, you can view the values for a slice by dragging the pointer, tapping the left or right arrows in the information bar, or tapping the text in the legend. You can also interact with tables. You can scroll horizontally or vertically if a table contains more data than fits on the screen. To move a column, tap the column header, then drag it to the desired location. To access other features, such as hiding or unhiding columns, freezing columns, or enabling or disabling text wrapping, double-tap the column header and tap the desired function. To access your organization's business intelligence content, you first need to make a connection to the location where your documents are stored. Your administrator can send you a URL that allows you to save the connection automatically, or you can connect manually from within the application. To connect manually, tap the plus icon. From here, you can create a corporate connection, allowing you to access reports from your SAP BusinessObjects Business Intelligence Platform repository. Tap the Connections tab to create a BI on Demand connection for users of SAP's BI in the Cloud solution. For either connection type, enter your connection information along with your username and password. You can save your username and password so you don't need to enter them each time you want to connect. Tap Save, then tap a connection to log on. On the My Report screen, there's now a control to log on or off or to switch connections. You can also see the list of documents available for download from the backend server. If you want to find specific documents, you can enter title keywords in the search box. Tap Info to see a description, and tap Download to download the document to your device. Once you download a document, it's saved locally and available for viewing even when you're offline. If a document has been updated on the backend server, the application displays an Update Available message at the bottom of the document icon. Update the document by double-tapping the icon and then selecting Update. If a new report instance is available, you'll see an Instance button. The Reports button becomes available if a document contains several individual reports. Tap it to see the list of reports within the document. To view a different report, tap the new report in the list. If you're online, tapping the Refresh button opens any prompts contained in the report, allowing you to filter the results. The Refresh button also re-downloads the document data to ensure you're looking at the most current values. If you want to share an interesting data point, you can send it as an email. Tap the Mail icon to send a snapshot of the current screen directly from the application. The recipient doesn't need access to the SAP BusinessObjects Mobile application to view the content. To make changes to the application settings, tap the Settings icon from the My Report screen. From the Connections tab, you can make additional connections to access reports. From the Network Options tab, you can enable notifications to give you updates on your network status, or turn on Work Offline mode to access your locally stored documents even when you can't connect to your corporate network. From the Viewing Options tab, you can change the appearance of the application. Here, you can choose between Graphite mode, which uses a black background, and Ivory mode, which uses a white background. That's it. Now you're ready to get started.